What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use built-in compass in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here you will see a edge panels option. So tap on this option and then turn on this on off button on the top. After turning on this button, tap on panels and from here select tools panel, and after selecting this tools panel, go back to your home screen and then open the edge panel. Now from here go to the tools panel. So this is the tools panel, and when you will open tools panel, it will automatically open the built-in compass for you. So you can rotate your phone to check compass accuracy. So that's how you can use the built-in compass in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.